it's gone through quite a hard time over the last few years. But then farming does that. I mean, I've been involved in farming all my life really, and it goes. You get highs and lows of the job altogether. The commodity prices are very low at the moment, but the inputs are still very high. So you struggle to make much of a profit. It's very hard work for not the return that farmers should really get. This year we have Golden Harvest 2016.
The air in your lungs. Feel the two become one. Here in the middle, where earth meets the sun. The flame to our living, touch so we never forget it. A mix up of minerals, but one who is love. So what if we don't wanna be stuck in a human machine? Under the cover of life from above. The air in your lungs. Feel the two become one. Here in the middle, where earth meets the sun.
My name is Peter Dowbiggin. It's an unusual name for this part of the country. It's a North Country name, but there's not very many Dowbiggins around in this part of the world anyway. I spent 42 years of my life, in amongst everything else, as repairing garden machinery, which has also always stood me in good stead. The practical people are not quite around like they used to be. It's nice to be able to do things practically, and not everything can't be done on a computer.